Stop! Oh, dang! Hey, get up. Boy,
Oh my god. We just don't put this on the bloopers, man.
boy, I will blow your freaking head off.
Ow.
Yeah, then we go like,
Are we recording?
yes. Dude!
Okay. Take one.
So, how are you, Dave? Okay, Jerry, I'm really fine. Can you? Wait, can I call you Jerry? Yes. And how are you today, Jerry? Good. I would just like to know how you finished this apple. Okay. May I take this? How I finish this apple is wink, 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 wink. Is that first I crush the cockroach, like so, with my bare foot. Then I did this. Then I ate it because I love apples. Okay. Now I like to tell you how.
Oh my gosh! This is a YouTube takeover. Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Give me all your.
I survived! Me too! And my close-up.
Are you guys finished?
That was different. I was building a nation. I'm so never talking to you again. Fran, you better get this kaboot thing out of your head and start thinking about your future.
Matt, I will kill you. Get out my close-up! This has been Jace with the news.